Kirsten Riley J. Ramirez, a grade 2 student. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple science experiment. I'm going to show you how to make a simple science experiment. We have 2 calamansi, 2 glasses of water, and salt. First, we're gonna add the calamansi into the glass of water. Will it sink or float? Let's see. Whoa, it sinks. Next, we're gonna add the other water, salt. 2 tablespoons of salt. Whoa. Be careful when you add it. Whoa. There. Next, we're gonna stir it or mix it until it dissolves. Agitate, 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 agitate. This is how I can go. This is so fast. Agitate, agitate, agitate. Wait until it dissolves. Not yet. Whoa, look, it dissolved. Next, the final one. We're gonna add the calamansi. Will it sink or float? It floats because the salt water has higher density than the calamansi. And here now, we have a calamansi in the water because the calamansi has higher density than the water.
Nice.
I hope you enjoy my video. Bye!